Welcome to another episode of Food Chronicles. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of strawberries, from their intriguing history to their nutritional benefits and everything in between. Let's explore the juicy details. The journey of the garden strawberry begins in 18th century Brittany, France. Bred through a clever cross of Fragaria virginiana from North America and Fragaria chiloensis from Chile, the result was the beloved Fragaria times ananas we enjoy today. Before this, wild strawberries and their cultivated selections were the primary sources of this delectable fruit. From ancient Roman literature to the royal gardens of King Charles V, strawberries have long been cherished. By the 16th century, cultivation became more common, leading to the eventual introduction of the Chilean strawberry in Europe. The blend of F. muscata and F. virginiana with F. chiloensis created the modern garden strawberry, paving the way for numerous varieties and widespread cultivation. Now, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that strawberries are. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these berries are not only delicious but also good for you. A 100g serving provides only 33 calories, making it a guilt-free treat. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and various essential nutrients. Beyond their nutritional content, strawberries boast a variety of phytochemicals. These include allagitannins like agramonian, flavonoids such as anthocyanins and flavonols, and essential fatty acids in the achene oil. These compounds contribute to the vibrant color, flavor, and aroma that make strawberries so appealing. Now, let's talk about what makes strawberries so irresistible: their flavor and fragrance. Esters, terpenes, and furans are the key compounds responsible for the sweet, fragrant profile of strawberries. Chemicals like methylanthranilate and gamma-decolactone create that classic strawberry aroma we all know and love. Did you know that modern strawberries are octoploid? That's 8 sets of chromosomes. The genome sequence of the garden strawberry was published in 2019, shedding light on the intricate genetics behind these luscious fruits. While strawberries are a delight for many, some individuals may experience allergies. The allergen FRA1, associated with red anthocyanin biosynthesis, can trigger reactions. However, white-fruited cultivars lacking FRA1 provide an allergen-free option for those with sensitivities. Strawberries come in a plethora of varieties, each with its unique characteristics. From Cambridge Favorite to Happel, these cultivars have earned the Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. As for uses, strawberries aren't just for snacking. They star in jams, desserts, and even cocktails. Strawberries are cultivated worldwide, with major producers including China, the United States, and Turkey. Whether grown through annual plasticulture or perennial matted rows, these berries are a versatile and resilient crop. The health benefits? Well, they're abundant. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, boost immunity, and support heart health. And there you have it, the enchanting story of strawberries. From their humble beginnings in France to gracing tables worldwide, these berries have truly made their mark. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in a pie, or blended into a smoothie, strawberries are a delightful treat that brings joy to any palate. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of strawberries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep discovering the wonders of the food we love. Until next time, happy eating.